Hello guys, hello, I'm Beatrice Kuria. Yeah, mimi HOD wa Sanctuary. Yeah, I want to welcome you guys to our church, DCC Kikuyu. Yeah, today sermon ilikuwa about cultivating spiritual growth. Yeah, it was in 1 Peter 2:2. It's about inasema, as newborn babies desire the pure milk of the world, that you may grow thereby. Yeah, to learn about that, and I really want to welcome you guys. Enjoy the word. The word is so sweet in our church. Yeah, the teaching iko mwah. Yeah, thank you so much. And service inaanza saa 3. You are welcome. Karibuni sana. Naomba mtanipata hapa kwa mlango, nitawakaribisha. Yes, with a big smile and a beautiful hug. Okay? Service inaanza